one nostril for 5 turns and then the other nostril for 5 turns. Well done.
Thank you.
And then we will have results in 15 minutes.
We've watched lots of different tests be administered throughout this time, and there is one that is more invasive that goes up to the very tip of the bridge of your nose internally. This one only goes in the bottom inch of your nose, so really just the nostril area, so not painful and not invasive. I didn't even have any tearing of my eyes. So our goal in this collaboration with Muskegon Public Health was to provide free on-site testing to remove those barriers for staff and for students to keep our sites as safe as possible. Just because we're doing testing, we're not going to lapse on any of the other strategies that we know are important, such as mask wearing, social distancing, hand washing, and all of the other protocols that we've put in place this year.
So this is an antigen test for COVID-19. So it's looking for the proteins of COVID-19 in the system. It takes 15 minutes to get results, so it's very quick. So that's all it is, and we wait for 15 minutes.
Okay, one line, that means that this COVID test is negative.
I'm very excited with this testing, that it will give parents, I hope, that reassurance and that peace of mind, knowing that the staff in their building that their young adults interact with and work with are all testing negative, and that we can just continue normalcy.
You know, it's valuable because it provides peace of mind for our staff and our students who may have been in contact with a COVID positive individual. But most importantly, it provides our community the understanding that we're doing whatever we can to keep out of school anybody who is COVID positive or is a close contact of a COVID positive individual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wasn't bad at all. I've heard stories about how they poke the back of your brain, but this is not that way. It tickled.
All right, one of the things that people have to remember is if they're symptomatic, that they need to stay home from school. If the parents are symptomatic or are being tested for COVID because of being symptomatic, their children need to stay home from school until they find out the results. This is the only way that we can mitigate the spread within our schools and within our community. If you're symptomatic, stay home until you are symptom-free without medication for 24 hours.
It was pretty painless. It was quick and easy, and I'm very excited that I'll get results here in 15 minutes.